This is a cable and we're gonna put in the iPhone. Did you see this one is not working? Put out again, put out and put in, properly put in, properly. Two hand, one hand is hold the mobile and other hand is okay. Again put in. Did you see, buddy? This cable is not working. I already sent this one, but why you? What kind of proof do you need? I already sent you. Did you see, blind man? Did you see? Again put out this one. Again put out this one and put in this one properly. Yeah, this one is not working. Did you see? Did you see the charging percentage? There are no charging. Did you see? So this cable is not good, bad. Why you send this one? Yeah, this one is not working. This cable is damaged. You blackmail me. Why you blackmail? Okay.